There is frugal living and money saving, and then there is this woman, who manages to live off only $200 a month in New York City. This woman hates spending money and goes to extreme lengths to avoid it, including not using toilet paper or doing laundry, and she hasn't bought underwear in 23 years, and those aren't even the most extreme methods. How to live off $200 a month in New York City, extreme cheapskates. The Sun has posted this article entitled "Bog Standard, I hate spending money, I haven't done any laundry for 3 years and I never use toilet paper." Kate Hashimoto lives in New York City and has found a way of avoiding paying for almost everything in her life. She appears on the TLC show entitled Extreme Cheapskates, which seems to suit her perfectly. Kate sets herself a budget of $200 a month only and tries to avoid paying for anything. She says, "If I'm drying my hands in a public bathroom, I'm drying off hands that I have washed clean, so I keep them and reuse them," she explains. She then goes on to say, "I furnish my place by picking up discarded furniture on the street before the trash picks it up. I've saved a couple of $1,000s on furniture. Her bed is made up of old yoga mats that she has piled up to make a mattress, and she uses magazines as a dining table. I don't understand how magazines would work as a dining table, but anyway." Not wishing to waste money on power, Kate avoids cooking, using a dishwasher and oven as storage space in her apartment. "I haven't bought any clothes in 8 years, she explains. "The last time I bought underwear was 1998. She washes her clothes in the shower rather than doing laundry. "I don't use toilet paper, I just use water and soap to wash myself off," she explains, though her recycled paper towels also come in handy. She says she doesn't believe in spending money on something you are just going to throw away, such as toilet paper, which is taking this statement way too far in my opinion. Bringing this back to personal finance, she must be an idol for one of those experts that are focused purely on the savings. I take it that she's not out buying coffee, but it would be hilarious if she did. Perhaps she might even release a course on how to save, and it will be better placed than some of those experts who focus solely on saving. If your primary message is to save money, this is the pinnacle and the absolute best that it gets. Again, this highlights how you can only save so much. Once you get to a certain point, it would be a lot better to try to focus on making more money rather than just saving to get ahead. Would you consider following any of her methods, or perhaps you have some better ones yourself? Let me know in the comments, and as always, good luck.